Now I am at the gate of the company called Meifulunguang. From the window, I can see they produce the modern and simple pendant light. I can tell their design is really clear and modern. It's my kind of fancy style. Now I'm going to get in and find out what's more. Let's go. Remember this Meifulunguang? Hello, my name is Kathy. May I have your name?
Hello, my name is Daisy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Daisy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. Lady boss.
Kella, okay. So,
yes.
Daisy, would you
Yes.
please tell us something about your company, Meifulunguang?
It's my honor. My company name is Meifulunguang. Our factory is located in Henan Town, Guzhen, Zhongshan City,
Okay.
Guangdong Province. Our shop is located in G10, basement, first floor, Star Alliance, Guzhen Town.
Yeah, okay.
You can see our product is focused on the LED chandelier, LED pendant, LED ceiling light.
Right.
Mostly used in the home. You can put on the dining room, living room,
Yeah.
bedroom, and put on the wall.
Okay.
So means most home needs it.
Okay, so basically the lights are in for the residential use.
Yes.
If you have any use for the living room, the bedroom, the dining room, you can find all the stuff here. Okay, I can't wait to start our tour. Daisy, let's go.
Okay. Follow me. You can see here.
Yeah.
It's like what?
Oh, it's like my ring.
Yes, of course. Also the shiny ring. Why? Because
Right.
we decorate with a diamond. Diamond part style.
Oh.
So when light on, it's very shiny.
Yeah.
And very unique and can be visible easily, right?
Right.
Also, you can see we can use the inside and outside two-side LED.
Right.
Also the silicon. Our silicon is more bigger than the market because we open mold by this one. So
Okay.
our light is when you put the home or put in your dining room, you can see dining room, living room. You can see it's more bright and more shiny and more attractive.
Right. So I think the brightness of it is enough.
Right.
Yeah.
Of course.
Right.
So most lady when see this, we say buy it.
Buy it.
Buy it to
Buy
their
it.
husband. Say pay and buy it.
Okay, because ladies are like the shiny stuff, like the ring, the diamond, and something like that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh,
Also,
that's really.
we give you free.
Okay, I appreciate that. Okay, what's more?
Yeah. Here you can see our have a more serious.
Right.
This one can make a round,
Round shape,
square.
square shape.
Also we can mix. Round and square, or we can mix.
Okay, so it's just more than one style. You can mix that with round shape and the square shape.
And the pendant shape like this is a big ring, middle ring, large ring.
So as long as the customer need it, you can make it.
Of course.
Cool.
You can say Daisy, need what? I will make for you and free. Okay,
Good for
let's
you.
Move
Okay,
on.
now let's move on.
Okay. This one and that one, we most sold to Middle East, Southeast Asia.
Southeast Asia
Yes.
and Middle East.
Yes. They like this shining and the round shape.
Yeah, I can tell this shape is very special.
Of course, right?
I've never seen something like that.
Yes, you have good taste. I know. Okay, let's move on. This
Okay.
is also this is a popular and a new design. We sold to Europe. And
Europe market.
America,
Australia.
It's a high class one.
Okay.
This is two layers, double layers, aluminum. And the LED we made is the first layer is inside the light on.
Right.
Light. And the second layer we made it down, light on. You can see. So if you stay here, around here, all can light on.
Yeah.
Only one lamp, you can make your living room. It's very bright.
Yeah, I can
Also-
tell.
Yes, you can see. Here we make the black and the gray. In the market, it's only white or black, but we made the black and gray.
Wow.
It's a very different design.
So it has
different
two
idea.
different colors, black and gray.
Yes.
Okay.
Also see here the pot. is aluminum with the electro finishing.
Okay.
What this means? This means you can use this light over 10 years. After 10 years, you can see here, same fresh color.
Oh my God, really? So its warranty is more than 10 years?
Yes.
I can't believe that.
Yes. So after 10 years, you will see, oh, this I remember you because of this light.
I hope so.
Yes. Okay. Especially for our light, you will not see any screws on the lamp body. This is hardly in the market.
So I can find no screws
No screws
on the light.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow. It's very special, right?
Yeah, and simple.
Yes.
Yeah.
Simple. This is our concept.
Right.
Simple style to make your life more comfortable.
Very good. Very good. I love your philosophy.
Yeah, thank you. Here, we can show you our smart item.
Okay, so when we come to this item, Daisy told me that they are a smart or intelligent one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Firstly,
Okay.
we show you. Firstly, we need to
Turn off the light.
Yes, turn off the
Turn
light.
off the light.
And now take out your mobile
Okay,
and
our cell phone.
on the app. Now, I on the light
Turn on
and
the light.
connect with the Bluetooth.
Okay.
After flash 1, 2, 3 times, we connected by the Bluetooth and show you how to use the app to control the light.
Okay.
Now you can see white, one white,
Yeah.
natural white. Also, we can change the brightness. Make a, you can see. High bright,
Yeah.
mid bright, right, and the low bright.
So yeah, we just need a cell phone just to control the brightness, and we don't have to touch the button, the switch, or anything else.
Yes.
Oh.
For example, if you lose your remote,
Yeah.
you have mobile. You will not lose your mobile, right?
You're right.
Now here we can fix the time. Means you can fix the time 5 hours or 4 hours. After 5 hours, they will off the light by themselves.
Okay, we can also set the timing. Like if you want it to be lighted for 5 hours, just set it 5 hours.
Yes. So this is the smart life, right?
Yeah, this is what's smart about.
Yeah.
Okay.
Smart one. Now I tell you, all our showroom products, we all can make like this.
All of them?
Yes, all of them.
Wow.
We can make a 3 color by controlled with the remote, mobile app, and the smart aliens.
Oh.
So yeah, good choice, right?
Right.
Yeah, match the trend, right?
Right. Yeah, because nowadays I know intelligence or smartness is the trend.
It's a trend, it's a whole world trend.
Right.
And we have the first class trend, right?
Yeah.
Buy it. I introduce more customers to buy it.
Can I get more discount?
Of course. Okay. Now, here also is our new
design.
Yes. The color is the space gray.
Space gray.
It's the different color than the market gray.
Oh, okay.
This color is more elegant.
Elegant.
And when you see it's more, not like black, it's too stubborn. This is more shiny and more comfortable.
I can tell, yeah.
Yeah. You can see also with the diamond element. Shiny one is part here.
Oh, you have different shapes, like this is the round one, the square one. Wow.
Also ceiling and the round shape.
Oh, you can make a ceiling one also.
Yes. Oh, we all can make.
So anywhere in the home I can use them because like I can put it in the living room.
Yes.
What about this? Living room?
Yes, you can use it. Yes, living room. And also if you have a bigger villa, you can put it on the stairs.
But I don't have a big villa.
You will have, I know.
Okay, so you can also put this one in the
bedroom.
Right, it's perfect. Right.
You know the product than me.
Not really, you are the professional one.
Okay. Let's have a rest. Let's have a rest and let me show you our other new product.
Let's go. Okay, thank you.
My dear customer, have a rest. And
Thank you.
Let me continue to show you.
Can I sit down?
Yeah, of course. Here, have a seat. And here, is our another new mode.
Yeah.
Firstly, I need to tell you, in our showroom or in our factory, most products we have our own patent.
You have a patent for that.
Yes, means in other factory you will not see the same design.
Oh.
If you buy, you are the only one. Other people envy you, cannot have.
Okay.
This one, you know, in old fashion, we like to buy big chandelier, like a crystal chandelier.
Right.
But in modern time, the big chandelier is out of date, right?
Yeah.
So we make the simple and the modern style. Like we use the aluminium, acrylic with the special crystals.
Right.
This is like a water wave crystals.
Right.
So means when you light on, you will see, I'm on the sea, I'm at the sea. We just see the sunshine, we feel the sunshine.
Right.
Yes, we see the sea, right?
Right.
This is more simple and more comfortable.
Yeah, I also like the light because it's very soft.
Yeah.
Soft and it is not too shiny. I like this kind of color temperature. It's good. The CCT is good.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can switch on the any CCT what you like. 3000K, 4000K, and 6000K.
Okay, so it can be changed.
Can be changed.
Okay.
And also we use the good LED to remove your eye strain.
Right.
So you will more comfortable for your eyes.
Right.
It's suitable for your home.
Yeah. And it's suitable for the bedroom, and it is also suitable for the
Dining room.
Right.
Yeah. Your home house all can use. Means you only come to our shop, can buy all the lights to decorate your
Good choice.
your home.
Okay, so if I'm gonna put this one in the dining room, then maybe this one I can put it in the living room.
Yeah,
because it has 3 layers, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, and that one is the dining room. This one also bedroom also okay.
Yeah.
Also you can choose. Also this in the bedroom.
So they can be customized. Yeah.
Yeah, customized. So you have a lot of choice. Like a boyfriend, you have a lot of choice. Husband, the only one, right? Shop, our husband is only our shop, right?
Okay, okay, now I'm really interested in. Okay, yeah, they are the same, right?
Yes, same, but different mixed style.
Okay, yeah, okay. Let's show us.
Yeah.
Like
a princess.
this one, this is in living room.
Yes.
Yeah, all we need to do is just sit on the sofa and watch the light. Wow, can I
Like now, princess have a seat.
I have to enjoy it.
Yeah. Let me serve you. What do you need?
I'm just watching the light.
Okay.
Okay, can the color temperature be
Of course.
change?
Yes.
Now is neutral white. Now it's warm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now it's
white.
white. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. So you also can control by the mobile.
Switch. The
Yes.
mobile phone.
Yes.
Okay. That's cool. Remote control.
Okay.
Okay. I think I have a really good tour in your shop. Right. Okay.
Yes.
So Daisy, thank you so much for telling us. So everyone, if you are interested in Meifulunguang's lights and their products and so on, please like this video and leave your comments below. If you want to contact them, don't forget to scan the QR code at the end of the video. We'll have a personal advisor for you. Remember, this is Meifulunguang. And once again, thank you, Thank you, Daisy.
Thank you, Casey.
You're welcome. Okay.
Welcome. You come our shop again and bring more customer. Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.